Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Zontes' latest keyless system is version 3, which allows you to track your bike, etc. Download any latest updates, etc. and allow different users to use the bike using the phone app. You can register different users on the bike, which is good for sharing, without having to give them keys. This video is showing you where the actual GPS squared unit is held within the bike, and don't think you'd ever have to get to it, but it just shows you the construction underneath, how it's all put together, etc. to get there and change it if it ever needed changing. But it's just an information video really. So this video on the Zontes 350D just shows you the location of where the GPS unit is. We have to take out the bike to bits to get to it. It's good for anti-theft, etc. because obviously you want to track your vehicle once if it was ever stolen. So yeah, just an information video where it is on the bike. It's good to know how to strip the front of the bike, which is good. So I'll leave it to it. Enjoy the video. This is the Chinese version subtitled. I haven't got an English version or Spanish version yet, but we'll upload it as soon as I have. So please enjoy the video, like, subscribe, join our journey, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye for now.
On spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.